So in question 7, we're given this equation where the temperature of the coffee is dependent upon the room temperature and then the time in minutes after the coffee is poured. Part A, we need to explain why the initial temperature of the coffee is independent of the room temperature. This is not immediately obvious from the equation at all. So when we are looking at the initial temperature of the coffee, we are considering when T equals 0. So we really need to plug that in, T equals 0, into the equation and then have a look at what it gives us. Plugging T equals 0 in gives us this, and we have e to the 0 as part of our equation, which is equal to 1. So that gives us TR plus 90 minus TR, and that just gives us 90. So from this answer, we can see that the initial temperature of the coffee when T equals 0 is 90 degrees. And that is regardless of the room temperature. Now we have been asked to explain, so we've got that. So we need another sentence there that says that that is independent of TR. So part B is a really nice one for 2 marks. Find the temperature of the coffee after 10 minutes if the room temperature is 20 degrees C. So we're looking at little t for the time is equal to 10 and room temperature TR is equal to 20. We're just going to plug that into our equation and it looks like that. And then we really need to evaluate that on our calculators, and it evaluates to this answer. A little exam tip for you, make sure when you evaluate on your calculator you write down lots of digits in your calculator display and then write it again to your chosen degree of accuracy. Here we are not specified what the degree of accuracy is, so we can choose, but definitely include lots of digits from your calculator first. For this question, I would not leave it. You'd lose a mark if you just leave it not evaluated, just in this form here. That's not how we talk of temperatures. So generally we're asked a worded question, we want the temperature of the coffee, we would want to say it's 62 degrees C. Okay.